Okay, this video is to show you the A7 Portable UHF RFID reader's new features, and its updated applications, and updated the Android and iOS applications, added some new features, so we can just check its new apps. Okay, now the interface has a little change, and the first options RFID settings, RFID read and write. This one has added new feature, the searching the text, and this option is for LED for LED UHF text, and this option is for temperature sensor UHF RFID tag, and this option is RFID settings. Setup is also added new feature of restore factory settings, and this option is still the same. HID for HID keyboard setting, and H1 search actually for this model, and this model is not selling to worldwide. It's just selling domestic market, and this device information same as it before. And connect devices that provide two options is USB and Bluetooth. And if you connect by USB, then click clear. If Bluetooth is searching, and also could scan the QR code to connect the A7 by its QR code here. Here is the QR code. Okay, and this RFID interface options, and this my tables can change the languages to English or Chinese, and setting the protocols. And this toolbar is also for H1. Okay, now just connect the A7 and testing. Now connected by the USB interface, so I just connect the USB and confirm and connect it now. And first we just introduce the new features, and it has a fine options. It could just help you to locate it to text, and you can see that you can just locate find this text by the PCs or just by item names. About item names, you can just set here, just go to the bind table, and now we just bind some text here, and which is for example desk 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now we'll just check the desk, and I can just check this name. Okay, sorry. Just scan. Now it, and the desk text actually in here. You can just see that. Just find this text. You hear the noise. Okay, just it's just here. So this is the new feature of finding text. But for this A7 Portable UHF text, and I think that is this function is much weak because the read distance is not so far, so you can't see its function. You just see you can see the affections clearly. So if you're using a long RFID model, for example, MR100, which can read up to 10 meters, you can just using this searching finding functions more efficiently. Okay, and this new features LED light up is for LED UHF RFID text. Now we do some testing. Okay. This one is LED UHF text, and I just click inventory. You see that the LED blinking and show its EPCs. Okay, and this also is LED. You see this red light. blinking. Okay, stop. Now, this one is for temperature sensor RFID detects, for example, Magnus S3, and other chips here. But I currently have no text in hand, so I cannot demonstrate to you this function. So you could show the temperatures here, and these are the settings. Still the same as before. Frequency settings, the dense model section, Q value, antenna powers, and base parameters, and also adding new features to restore factory settings. If you just running setting the RFID running setting these options, you can just go back to this restore function, restore button to restore these function to restore factory settings. And this still USB settings still the same. To setting HID keyboard functions. And QR code testing is for H1 readers, so just neglect it. And this one is for this model, as I didn't demonstrate to you. And device information is this readers still the same. So it's all about the new features of the new apps. It workable on iOS and Android. And this mobile phone is Android mobile phone, so just demonstrate to you this Android apps, but it's the same to iOS, so you can just freely use. Okay, thanks for watching.